Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to fix the Roku remote not working. Here are the few methods I will explain. For this first one is use the Roku app to control your Roku devices. Please keep watch on this video. I will explain the step by step process. Use the Roku app to control your Roku devices. If you are in a bind and need to turn down the volume right now or need to turn on your Roku device, you can use the Roku app to control your device. Of course, he will teach you how to fix your remote in the following sections, but for now, let's review how to control your Roku device without the remote. For this first step is using your smartphone, download the Roku app. Follow the tutorial, then tap sign in. Input the email and password you used when the first set up your Roku device. Tap on remote at the bottom. Connect to your Roku when prompted and accept any permissions the app may need. Now you will have complete access to your Roku device. Hopefully this session helped you control your TV. Now let's talk how to fix your Roku remote.